Mm.
Again, not a single matching doorknob, if there is a doorknob.
Yeah, every doorknob, you guys, is different. Some lock, some don't. Some don't have the stops on the trim. Most doors don't have anything, nor do they fit their jambs. Actually, here is that door piece. In this room, I call the Jolly Rancher room. It's actually the master. Everything is spackle and it's not smooth. It's almost like a foam. Got the nice French doors that come out into your small master that have nothing behind to stop them. And show them that door. On real good. So these were just changed out. All the windows upstairs are new. Basement needs replacing. Also, this master has 2 vents. 1, 2. This one's not connected to anything. Doesn't even need to be there for this small of a room anyway. We've got another coat closet here. Again, doesn't shut. And it's about a 1/2 inch too tall, so it hits this guy. More odd patches. This whole wall over here is patched horribly. Don't know that you can see it. Oh, yeah, you can right there. And we got this pantry here. I assume is going to be a pantry. We've got our vent for our water heater, natural gas, and our furnace. Does has a gas stove. We've got new cabinets. Started to be stained by the previous owner, but he left it. And this is just an empty abyss. Not the best use of space in a small kitchen. Then we've got this guy here, that guy there. Don't do anything anymore. Took out the track light. Here's the old hole. The other fluorescent one's in still. Here's where some walls were taken out. And this is where they have the laundry current, inside the kitchen. And the subfloor is just chewed out. Probably from the washing machine shaking over the years. Let's go to the basement. We've also got a deck out here that's missing. However, the old owner is here removing some things, so we're not gonna film him. Here's the swamp cooler or evaporative cooler where it comes into the home. It did leak this year and it gave it mold, so he did cut that out and use some beer bottles, sodas, I don't know, and screws to make washers, and he put it back in. So that'll be fun. The glass was taken out of both sides of the doors.
Or the front door was replaced.
Or the front door was replaced and it was a French door. We've got light switches. This does above us, this does outside. We've got more of this terrible patchwork. And then we've got this baby step. And the rest are the same size. We've got a hall light switch, which does not work. This switch. And coming around here, this is going to be under the stairs. Nothing too crazy in here. Just empty under the stairs. terrible bulkheads up in here. Don't know what they're about. And we've got that bump, which is probably ductwork. Here's that bulkhead. And this, I suspect, is the drain stack for the washing machine upstairs. Because the washing machine is actually right up above us, right here, where you can see it's leaked through that floor, where that subfloor is just gone. Yeah, this is an old window, and it's got some weatherproofing bag. Closet, no doors. This has been made part of the downstairs family room. And this is a 4-bedroom now. It's probably going to be a 5th when we're done, or a 5. We've got a bathroom with an extremely narrow door. A vanity up on 2x4s. No exhaust fan with no windows. Got some regular PVC for outdoor stuff. Not so much potable. I don't know. And where you live, I guess. We have a lot of blank plugs. Inside here, mechanical room. Super to code water heater. Yeah. Here's the back of that shower. Just bulging up, leaking. When we toured this house, this was the one I think that was actually getting used because the drain was always wet. In here, this is the base of the stairs. Probably going to be the new laundry room. Just there's that blank plug down here. Doesn't really go to anything. Then we've got this patch job, which is just about 6 holes that are behind here, and they decided to just do the whole thing. Got another room here. This wall, you didn't see it really when we went in there, isn't attached at the top. So that wall needs to go and be redone. This is our water main, our PRV. That would get replaced. That PRV has failed. This is the only new window in the basement, but the seal has broke. So it's calcified inside. Well, maybe newer window. When we come in here, we've got another closet with no doors, as well as we tried to put shelves in, found it was cold, put up a lot of this plastic just to cover up the holes since it wasn't insulated. Here's where some ductwork was. It was covered up, whatever it was doing before. And we've got where somebody reworked the pipes outside. Didn't want to patch the drywall to the spigot outside. Got to patch that, and then we just found this lovely guy. So don't know if those are live yet, or what they go to, where they come from. So that'll be on the agenda. This door kind of shuts good. But we've got a house of different knobs. Got that knob, got no knob, this knob, that knob, to that knob. Nothing matches. There it is.